So first of all, I'm going to create that two VPC. Okay. जैसे कल बनाया था वैसे ही बनाना पड़ेगा फिर से अपने को VPC. One for the private and one for the public. So I'm going to click on the VPC. Then click on the VPC, your VPC, and click on the your VPC. So it is the default one. So I'm going to create my VPC, create VPC, and here I'm going to type my VPC for NAT. Okay, and then give the range 10.0.0.0 slash 20 for, and then after that go to the subnet, create subnet, select the VPC, and then give the name for the public public for NAT. Okay. And I want to create this one on the 1E, and the range is 10.0.0.0 slash 24, and then create subnet. So public is done. Now I want to create one more. Select the VPC, and here private for NAT. So this one I want to create on 1B, and the range is 10.0.1.0 slash 24. Create subnet. Okay, so now this one is created. So you can see public net is there and the private net is there. Okay, after that I go to the internet gateway, create on the create internet gateway, give the gateway name. So my IGW for NAT. So give the only my IGW and create. So this one is created, and after that go to the action tab, click on the attach to VPC, select your VPC and attach. So it is going to attach. Now see, it's done. After that go to the route table, create a route table, give the name my route for NAT, select your VPC, okay, create a route. And then after what I need to do, अभी क्या करना बाकी रह गया, बन गया, हो गया, सब हो गया, complete.
Route
Is there anything is
propagation.
pending? Is done or anything is pending?
Association. Subnet association.
Sorry.
Subnet association route propagation.
In the route table, subnet association is pending. Okay, so I'm going to click on the route tables. There is the route tables. This one. So here I need to go first the route one. Okay, so give the route. Click on the add route, and add route. It will be 0, and select the IGW internet gateway, and this is your internet gateway. Save this. And after this, go to the subnet, and here click on the edit subnet. So I'm going to create for the public one. Okay, I'm not going to create for the private one. So public and save. Done. One more thing I forget. For the public, go to the edit and click on this one. Auto assign IP and save. अभी हो गया done. Now I'm going to open EC2. Here I'm going to launch my EC2. Go to the dashboard. So go to the running instance and click launch instance. So I'm going to do the public server. Okay. I want to use this one and to give a create a key pair name. So giving the name WA, create a key pair, and here go to the edit section, select use VPC, and I want to create for the public one. Okay, public for NAT. And create a security group to give the security name is there. So my security group for NAT. Okay, give the name, and here allow one more, add security group rule, and in this one just allow all traffic. Okay, and for anywhere, allow all traffic for the anywhere, and then launch it. So it is going to launch. So the one server is successfully launched. Again I go to launch one more, go to the EC2 tab, launch instance, and give the name for the private server. Okay, select the Amazon Linux. Okay, then key pair. So my key pair name is what? WAWA, and add it. I want to select my VPC, and this one I want to deploy on the private. Okay, so now you can see this one is disabled. Okay, no issue. And here select the existing security group. So select that one which you created. So this one is my security group. Okay, my NAT, and then launch instance. So it is going to launch. So you can see right now I have two servers. You can see I have two servers. One is the private and the another is the public one. Clear? So if you click on this one, so here you can see this is my public IP address and this is the IP range 10.0.0.99 which I gave for the public subnet. And if I click this one, so in this case you can see there's no any public IP address, but I got the IP address according to the private range which I defined in the private subnet. So these things is clear. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm going to connect this one first, public. Okay, then after I will show you something. If I click on the public server and go to the connect button, so here go to the instance one, and now you can see this is the connect option. Okay, so if I go to click on the connect button, so I am able to connect with this one. Okay, so this one is connected. You can see it is connected. Hmm? And if I'm trying to connect this private one, and if I click on the connect button, so here you can see it is not connected. So how you will access this one? Because you don't have any public IP address, then how you will access? Like suppose I want to create a file on this private server, suppose I want to install any kind of the package or other thing. So how I will connect this one? If you want to connect this server, so what you need to do? See, this is your server one, okay, and this is your server two. So this one is hosted on the public one with public IP address, okay, and this one is hosted on the private one with only private IP address, okay, and both are in present in the same availability, same region. Okay? They are all in the same region with the different availability. So what I want, if I want to use, or suppose with the help of internet, you are able to connect with this system only, but you are not able to connect this one. Okay, like suppose you want to access this one, then what is the process? So you can connect via this computer, right? if you want to access this private server, so first of all you need to create a connection between your laptop to the public one, and once you establish the connection, then after you need to connect this private one, because they all are present in the same network, so they are able to communicate, okay, with the help of private IP address. With the help of private IP address, they are able to communicate with each other, okay. So what you need to do by using the remote service, okay, by using the remote service you need to connect this server via this, ठीक है. अगर रिमोट सर्विस इनेबल है ना, सो यू कैन कनेक्ट विद दिस. हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता? इज इट पॉसिबल? नो, से चेक करते हैं हो पाएगा कि नहीं हो पाएगा. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल if you go on this private one and click on the connect button, so here you can see it is disabled, but if you click on this one SSH client one, so it is showing you this one. So it means with the help of SSH connection you are able to connect with your computer, okay. So these are the commands you need to follow. So what I need to do, I'm going to, first of all I'm going to my server side and open that file which you download, okay. Just download the file which you download, the PEM file, okay. Open it into the notepad, into notepad, and press Ctrl A and copy, okay. Ctrl A and copy the code. Then here you need to create a file vi space key dot pem, key dot, sorry, pem, okay, and enter. Go to the insert mode, right click and paste the code. Once you paste, then WQ, save this setting, WQ, okay, colon WQ. So now you can see you have a file, the name is key.py, and if you want to connect with your private server, so you need to run a command. So what is the command? Just copy this line, okay, copy this line and go to the this one and type here sudo, and then paste the line which you copied, and here you need to change only one thing. So what will be the file name, okay, because your file name is what, क्या है फाइल का नाम आपका, key.pem,
Hmm.
okay. So you need to type key.pem and then enter. It will asking you you want to continue with the connection, so just type yes and enter. Now you can see here, before this it is showing the 99 and now it is showing 15, okay. And now just check here on the EC2 dashboard. See, this is a private server, right? So what is the IP address? What is the IP address? 10.0.1.15, and here you can see 10.0.1.15. So it means right now I'm connected with my this server via this one. So with the help of SSH, you can create a connection between the public or private. Is it clear? It is clear. कैसे कनेक्टिविटी करोगे? हाँ. One more thing. Now see this one. I'm going to exit here, and if I tell now, you can see right now I'm in the public one, okay, because it is 99. If I type here ping space www.yahoo.com, enter. So now you can see I'm getting the reply from the Yahoo side, okay. I'm getting the reply from the Yahoo side. Okay, now I'm going to stop this one, and after that I'm going to create a connection between public server to private server. So it means I'm going to access the private one. So now you can see it is showing the 15. And the same command, if I run here ping space www.yahoo.com, enter. Now in this time I'm not getting the any reply. Why? Previously if I using the public server, and that time I run the command ping space www.yahoo.com, so I got the reply. Okay, and now in this time, if I using private server and type the same command, so I'm not getting the reply. So what is the reason why I'm not getting the reply? Because the internet is all enabled, but still I'm not getting the reply. hmm? क्या हो सकता है, रीजन क्या होगा, क्यों नहीं आ रहा, पहले आ रहा था अभी क्यों नहीं आ रहा?
This is private, right?
hmm. But you can see
Public will not
with
be,
the help of internet you are able to access.
but public IPv4 is disabled, right?
hmm.
Only
Yes,
private is configured.
public is there. Yes. So right now I don't have any internet access on this server. Okay, so with the help of local IP address, okay, private IP address, see what you run the command ec2 hyphen user at the rate, and then you type the private IP address. So if you have a private IP address, so you are not able to create a connection between your server to the internet site. So what I need to do, I need to create a NAT gateway. So with the help of NAT gateway, I'm able to assign internet connectivity to this computer. Okay. अभी क्या करेंगे, अपन NAT गेटवे बनाएंगे और फिर चेक करते हैं क्या ये इंटरनेट एक्सेस कर पा रहा है। और NAT गेटवे में क्या होगा, इट इज अ वन वे। इट मीन्स आप सर्वर से बाहर रिक्वेस्ट तो भेज सकते हो, लेकिन कोई आपको रिक्वेस्ट नहीं भेज सकता। It is a one way. By using the NAT1 network address translator, you can transfer the request only on the internet side, but no one is able to connect with your side. Okay, देखो कैसे होता है। So I'm going to create a NAT here. Go to the VPC one. So these all thing is completed. Okay, so here you can see we have a NAT gateway. Okay, click on this NAT gateway. Here you can see it's a blank. Click on the create NAT gateway. Give the gateway name. So my NAT for private. Okay. सबनेट कौन सा सिलेक्ट करेंगे, यू नीड टू सिलेक्ट द पब्लिक वन। ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो भी होगा ना, कौन सा होगा, पब्लिक नेटवर्क होगा, क्योंकि हमेशा पब्लिक के लिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, NAT इनेबल करते हैं। ओके, कनेक्टिविटी टाइप पब्लिक रहेगा। ओके, इलास्टिक आईपी एड्रेस आपको यहाँ पे देना पड़ेगा। ठीक है, सो राइट नाउ आई डोंट हैव एनी इलास्टिक आईपी एड्रेस, सो व्हाट आई नीड टू डू, क्लिक ऑन द एलोकेट इलास्टिक आईपी, so it is automatic assign the IP address and then create a NAT gateway. So ये डन हो गया। So अभी ये थोड़ा सा टाइम लेगा आपको होने में। Till then I'm going to create a route table. So again I need to create a route table, and this is for my route for private। अभी हम किसके लिए बनाएंगे, प्राइवेट के लिए। ठीक है, सिलेक्ट द VPC, कौन सा, my NAT, एंड क्रिएट। ये हो गया। And then again subnet or route. So go to the route one and add it route. फिर से करते हैं add it route. Now click on the add route. So again you need to type here 0.0.0. And now in this side you need to select NAT gateway. Okay, select the NAT gateway, and here it is your NAT gateway name which you created. Save changes. And once you've done this one, then go to the subnet and add it subnet association. This time you need to select private because you are creating the route for the private one, right? So select the private and save association. Okay, so it is done. Now again go to the server side and just control C. So right now I'm in the 15 one. Okay, so 15 is what? This is the private server. So again I'm going to run the same command. Okay, so it is not getting any reply. So just check your gateway is active or not. Go to the route table, then go to the NAT gateway and see it's available. Okay, it's route 4 is available. See the reply is coming. Okay, and if you see on this part, still you don't have any public IP address, but you are able to connect with the internet by using the NAT gateway.
Only outgoing request, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Done. So this is a process if you want to enable the NAT gateway, like suppose you have any kind of the server and you want to deploy on the private one, but sometime you need to assign the internet, okay? Or yeah, like suppose you want to access that one on the public side, so you can use this method. You can use this method. That's it. Pay. But remember, you need to allow the all packets. Okay, now you can see these two are able to communicate with each other, right? One server is hosted on the 1A and the another is hosted on the 1B, but still they are able to communicate with each other. Okay. And by using the SSH, you can connect and then assign the NAT gateway to give the internet connectivity without using any public IP address. Clear? NAT is clear. This one is done.